Hello everyone. I hope all are doing good. I welcome you all to the e-classroom of Khadaria. In this session, we learn about the organization of life. First, we have to understand what is organization. Organization is nothing but the process, and the organization of life is organization of process of life in animal world. If you look around, there is a different varieties of animals. There must be a small animals like amoeba and the huge size animal like elephant, blue whale. The variations are not only seen in size but also in the complexity of their cells, tissues of the body structure. This is called organization of life. Organization of cells and tissues. Cell is the smallest structural and functional unit of living organisms, and it is capable of performing specific function. Like every organ have a specific function, similarly cells is also have a specific function. It is also called as the building blocks of life. Single cell organisms like amoeba are able to carry out all the processes of life like higher organisms. The body of amoeba looks like a single cell, while higher animals are made up of billions of cells. Like we can say bacteria, yeast and amoeba have a single cell body and are called as unicellular organisms, when organisms such as human beings, cows and trees are made up of a large number of cells are called multicellular organism. Like cells makes up tissues, tissues makes up organs, organs makes up organ system. Prokaryotes and eukaryotes. Based on structural organization, organisms can be classified into prokaryotes and eukaryotes. We have to understand what is prokaryotes and eukaryotes, what are the difference. In some of the organisms like bacteria, cyanobacteria and mycoplasma, there is no true nucleus is seen. What is nucleus? Nucleus is a membrane-bound organelle that contains genetic material. Otherwise, we can say it is a control center of the cell. So, these organisms are called prokaryotes. However, in the cells of amoeba, animals and plants, a well-defined nucleus covered by membrane is seen. These organisms are called eukaryotes. See the structure of prokaryotic cell and eukaryotic cell. In eukaryotic cell, there is a presence of nucleus which is a genetic materials like DNA, RNA, but when compared to prokaryotic cell, in prokaryotic cell there is a nucleus is absent. Biological levels of organization. The biological organization shows the hierarchy in organization levels from simplest to more complex, like atom to molecules, molecules to cell, cells to tissues, tissues to organs, organs to organ systems, organ systems to organisms, then organisms comes to population, then populations to communities, communities in ecosystems, and finally biosphere. You can see us in this picture. The cells makes up to tissues, tissues to organs, organs to organ systems, and then organism. So, atoms and molecules make up the cells. They are considered as non-living, whereas population, community, ecosystem and biosphere are of ecological importance. Cell. As we studied that cell is the structural and functional unit of life. Cells are often called as building blocks of life. The study of cells is called cell biology. Cells consist of cytoplasm enclosed within a membrane which contains many biomolecules such as proteins and nucleic acids. This is the animal cell. You can see here in this picture there is a nucleus, cytoplasm, ribosome, cytoplasm, mitochondria. All the nucleic acid will present in the cell. Thank you.